Hi, today I'm making Mediterranean fish soup. I know that soup is not typically a summer dish, but this light, flavorful soup is perfect for our meal because it's light enough where it doesn't feel thick or heavy, but it's still filling. And so I begin with a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes, 1 large piece of white cod as well as red snapper. And you can use any kind of fish that you like. I find that these tend to flavor the soup well. I also use 2 large cloves of sliced garlic, and I'm adding that to the stewed tomatoes that have 2.5 cups of water. Next, I'm adding Italian seasoning. That's a tablespoon. And then garlic powder and black pepper, as well as salt to your taste. Try not to put too much salt in it because it can easily overpower the soup. I'm using 2 types of onions, a half of a medium-sized onion, as well as three stalks of green onion. And I'm going to leave a little bit of that for the garnish. I'm using bouillon cubes, in this case just one because it's a small soup or a soup that's just for 2 people. And I'm going to let that cook down. Next, I'm adding at least a cup of small bay scallops. If you use larger ones, you can use scallops that are about, it's probably 3 or 4 large scallops kind of sliced. But in this case, they're small bay scallops, so it's a cup. You'll then add your cod and then the red snapper to the broth or the tomato broth, and you're going to let that cook. Okay, so this is a weekend recipe. It'll probably take about an hour for everything to be done because you're going to let the tomatoes cook down low and slow before you add the scallops and fish. But once it's done, you can top it with green onion and serve it. And it's not only a light summer meal, it's great for lunch or dinner, and it's a perfect starter soup.